Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Google Chrome in your Macbook. So if you want to download and install Google Chrome in your Macbook, whether you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, this video will work in this video trick in work in every Apple devices. Now you have to go into the Safari. So when you go into the Safari, now here you have to search for Google Chrome for Mac. Okay, now click on it and here you will see download and install Google Chrome. Just click on it and here you will see how to install Chrome. Here you will see Mac. Just click on download the installation file and here you will see download Google Chrome for Mac OS 10.13 or later. Now just click on here to download. Now here you will see download has been started. Now wait for few seconds as the size of the Google Chrome here you will see 212.1 MB, means 212.1 MB. okay, so now downloading speed is 1.5 MB per second. Okay, so you have to wait for a few seconds and after that here you will see open Google Chrome .dmg file from Safari downloads and top of the corner from the window. Install, drag and drop the Chrome into the application folder. You might be asked to enter the admin password. Launch, open the launchpad, try Chrome and launch the app. Okay, so now you have to follow all these steps for download Google Chrome in your MacBook. Okay, so now we are going to see, so wait for a few seconds. Okay, so after that what you have to do, here you have to open from the download and install, drag and drop Chrome to the application folder. You might be asked to enter the admin password. Okay, now open the launchpad and type Chrome and launch the app. So like this you can download Chrome in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.